How to create a website for free. Creating a free website is a budget-friendly way to get your presence online without spending money on hosting and domain costs. So here's how we are going to do it. You're just going to head to the website wordpress.com, and from here you're going to click login. Now you can log in here with your information, or you can just scroll down here and basically create a new account. So in my case, I'm just going to log in. Now, after logging in, you will be redirected to this particular website wherein you can just basically create your own domain. So say, for example, I'm going to try now. So I have here like some recommendations earlier. So I'm going to do that one. Alright, so I'm going to start there first. That's going to be my domain. So here are the options that I have. Now, if you're going to go here with the first few options, you should be able to read here something. It says it's going to be free for the first year with annual paid plans. Of course, the following year, you will have to start paying for this one. However, if you want to have it for free, you can just basically use this one, easyweberofficial.wordpress.com. So we're going to select this one here. And then choose your flavor of WordPress. If you're going to scroll down, you should be able to see here free. We're going to use this one. Alright, once you've done that, you should be able to see this one here. It will be asking you, what are your goals for this particular website? So I'm going to hit promote myself for business, and I'm going to click continue. And here you will be presented with lots of templates for you to use. So let's go ahead and choose something. Alright, so I'm just going to choose this one here. I think this is going to be very interesting for the channel. So I can just put all the videos in there, and then I'm going to click this one in order for me to choose some colors. These are all free. You can just go ahead and basically select the color that you want. Okay, no orange. So yeah, I think I'm going to save colors. And then for the fonts, you can also click this one here and just scroll down in order for you to see. So I'm going to click Rubik, and I'm going to click save fonts, continue, and then I'm going to decide later. Alright, so let's get ready to launch. We're going to scroll down, and we're going to basically write your first post first and edit the design. So I'm going to name it Easy Weber Tutorial Videos, and I'm going to type something here. So it's going to be something that you see online, so I'm going to type here. And then if I'm going to click enter, you should be able to see this plus sign here. If you're going to click this one and then scroll down, you should be able to add a paragraph, image, heading, gallery, list, quote, and something like that. So I'm going to choose image. Though it's an image, you can always upload your own video actually. So if I'm going to click videos, for example, I'm going to open popular videos, and here, say for example, I'm going to choose something. This one, right click, copy the link, and then I'm going to insert from URL, paste it here, click this one. There you go. You should be able to see something like that. You can add a caption, of course. So I'm just going to copy the title. Going to put it here. There you go. So yeah, I can always do this one, continue doing this. I can just go ahead and add another, click image again, or yeah, there is a YouTube option there. So say for example, this time we're going to choose this one, copy the link. The same thing, insert from URL, paste it there. There you go. So it's still the same process as earlier. Alright, there you go. Now I've added everything here. Now the way we're going to do this is we're just going to click this here, preview without custom styles, for us to see how it looks. Okay, so this is how it looks. Congratulations everybody. Now say for example, you're already satisfied, you've added everything that you want to add. What you're going to do is you're just going to go back here, and you're going to click this one here, publish. So we're going to do that now. So it says here post has been published. We're going to view the post. Alright, there you go. So yes, congratulations everybody. That's how you're going to create a website for free. As usual, remember to hit that subscribe button and give the channel a thumbs up.